Hi guys, this video will cover ACT13, the math section. Okay, number one, probably selecting red marble, selecting blue is this one, probably selecting red. Or means addition, so you add it up, so 9. 5 groups, what is probably that students selected at random from the class Thursday. Group 4. 4 is 2 out of, let me see, 8, 12, 20. 26, 26, 28. 2 out of 28. 1 out of 14. So consider K equals 40. So 40 equals 7 over 5. J plus 54 minus 14 equals 7 over 5. J. So 2 minus 10. This is 5. We'll sleep one night, temperature this much, and then wake the next morning, the temperature was this much, letting plus notation rising temperature minus. So minus 24 plus x is minus 16 minus 40. Purchase price is this much, and include all the cost and tax, and paid 1,000 as down payment to loan the purchase price. So pay off the loan by 28 times 200, which is 560. So how much more purchase? So it was 54, but minus 1,000. So it's like 440 and 44, then 1,200 more. What is perimeter of hexagon? So if you think about line, this one, this is 4, 4. This is equilateral triangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 24. Or a floor plan this building. What is the area of this building? Area, if you draw this line here, 40 times 22, 880. And then this one is 28. 28 times 22. 56, 56, 616, 880, 1496, J. Quadrilateral determined by this vertices. Okay, minus 2 comma 0 is this one. 4, 0 comma 4. Let's draw this line. And then 5 comma 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And 8 comma 2, 6, 7, 8. If you put 4 first here, 16 divided by 2, this is 8, and plugging in 24 plus 7, 31. So at her hot dog stand, Julie sells hot dogs for $2. Purchasing hot dog and other supplies cost $200 per. The solution follow the number of purchasing profit. Okay. So 200 is the how much it cost, and then hot dog H. So 2H, $2 H, that has to be positive, okay? 8y equals minus 3x plus 5 divided by 8 divided by 8. So 3 here. Solution of this one. So multiply by 2 for the first one. Add it up. 5y equals 20, y equals 4 is only 1. On the map, 1/4 inches is this much. 2 times that this much apart. So 2 and 3/4 is 8, 11 over 4. So you multiply 11 to here. So 16, 176. What is matrix equal to? Distribute this. So this, each one of them you distribute. Tangent A is to A. From A to 15 over 8. Okay. How many miles she run? 12 minutes. 12 minutes is out of 60, and then every hour that she runs 8. So this is 1 out of 5. 5 over 8 over 5. Function minus 3, 9 times minus 6 minus 54. What is measure ABC? ABC, this angle. This is 132. That means this is 60, no, 48. So 90 minus 48 is it 30? No, 42. Numerical program calculated. When 5 entered, can calculate this break. 5 to 15, 6. So rise over run, you can do 2 over, no. So if you put 5, it comes to the 15, 6. Oh, this is good. You plug in 2. Until noon. And then cold, past noon, temperature fell, constant -1. The temperature burst below 49. So 49, 8 o'clock, 49, noon, 4 hours, which is 2:51. Right, adding 2. And then -2 is the one that we have to do, so 2 o'clock. So after 2. Could course grade listed as a B, which following not have been number of points he scored final exam? Okay. Final exam is 200. So overall is 800 is 4 and then whatever. So B not be numbered as score final exam. So we'll say we add this. Three 44 plus X. When do you get 8? 80 is first thing that we have to think about. I mean, 0.8. 80 means 0.8. So this is 480 minus 344. 160. No, 136. greater than 136. 136 is getting all this. Then like probably K, because it's too high, then you probably get 90. Let's test it out. If you could put 196, which is 540 divided by 6. 90. Okay, just keep answer. 3 games, ball to the scoredest figure top of the lane. Diameter of each pin and at its base, this is it. Very closest area. Cover the base of this. Okay, so pin is when all the pins are set up, so the value is closest to the area. And square foot that is covered by base of pins. So pin is 1 pin diameter is that. So radius is 1.125 is radius. And pi r squared. So let's see. Almost 40. Area bowling lane, the area of pin deck. Total area of this one is 65. And then pin deck is 3.5 times 5. Goes away. 13 to 1. Scores, third game, average, okay. 172 equals 148 plus 176 plus x divided by 3. So 3516 equals 324 plus x. 192. Area rectangle 300 meters. Its length 3 times the width. So L is L is 3W, and then W times L is 300. So you plug that into here, and W3W squared is this W10, and then L is 30. So with 10. Parallelogram has perimeter of 96. Okay. And one of the sides is 16. So 16 times 2, 30, well, times 2, 32. 96 minus this is 64 divided by 2, 32. So 16, 32. Two ways street, each one direction, wide lane, and then traffic, 1 6-foot wide bike lane, and then 1 parking lane. What is total distance? Okay. We have 12 and 12, and then 1 bike lane is 6. So far this is 24, 30, and then parking lane is 8 foot. So what is it? 30. It's supposed to be 30. I said 30. Each direction, it has this 12, 6, each direction. So we have to like add this 2 and then divide by 2. That's going to be simpler. 12, 6, which is 18 plus 26 times 2, 52. Central High School, 4 out of every 5 students ride bus. Or 3 out of every 8 students will ride. This many students, freshmen. So multiply 2 by 0, 1,000 riding bus. And out of that, 1,000 divided by 8 is 1.5 times 3, 407. No, 375. Multiply this. Second quadrant, sine is so opposite over hypotenuse is 29. And then you do this one minus 29 squared equals 20 squared plus x squared. Squared is 29 squared minus 21. This is minus 21. And cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So h. So 2 over t plus 1 equals t. So 2 equals t squared plus t. T squared plus t minus 2 equal to 0. T plus 2, t minus 1. So minus 2 or 1. So airplane is going this way. So following closest to the distance in between 2 radar stations. 2 radar station. 1 radar station A. There is something. So distance between these 2 is whatever they're talking about. So 12, 13. So right triangle. 12, 13, 5. So this 5,000. So 14. And the coordinates E is 900, almost 0. So A is the center. So the airplane is just flying this direction. There is no slope. So then Y equals height 1200. So which are the following number of seconds it will take for the airplane to fly from C to above A? Okay, C to A is we can store it. 9,000. 9,000. So above this is the one. And then speed is 300. So 9,000 divided by 330. Okay. And let's move on. And consider changing triangle formed by A, B, C, A, B. Triangle with increased measure of line due to west runs directly. A, angle changing. Increase in meters. as fly to west beyond directly above A. Below increases in major. Increase. B and C is, and so it goes this direction. C is decreasing too, and B is decreasing. A is the only one increasing. Okay, let's move on. Troy made a rectangular poster that is 4 meter. Okay, so 422. And fitting the available Troy, make the new poster that area 50% area. Okay, the poster length, the new poster is 3/4 of the length. Okay. So original one is area of 8. So 50% of it is 4. So new one, we don't know what it is, but then original poster length is 4. So times 3/4, which is 3. So 3 times something, that has to be 4. So 3/4. No, 4/3. What is solution set of the equation of this one? So x equals 2x plus 6 minus x, all real numbers. This is equal to each other basically. If plan to use 26 feet fencing. And what is the area of the largest rectangle? Usually, like, if this is the case, square is the largest. If you remember, that is much faster and easier. So that, divide by 4, 7 times 4, which is 70, 49 is the one. But you can't make this one out of like anything that you do. And then everything else you can make it, but then not the largest. The exact five people bookstore, 12 p.m. earn annual income between these two. No one entered the book until this. More than this enter bookstore, join other 5. So we have 5, that's like 30 to 35, and then 1 join them, 1 million and above. The mean median range, annual income 5, bookstore 12, effective compared to 4 statistics. Change the least. So we're actually putting outlier of 1. Then let's say, we have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 as a 5, and then 1 million that we have. So before then, our median of this one is this, right? But then because of million, the median is between these two. The range is like a whole lot different from here, like million. This goes, no. Mean changes a lot because of million, you bring it up a lot. So median is not much. And standard deviation changes a lot too because they get widespread out. Anna, Amy start landscaping job together, and when Anna stopped, she had completed 2/5 the job. Okay. When Amy stopped, she had completed 1/3 of the job. Okay, complete rest of job in 2 hours. So let's say the amount of job is X, then 2 out of 5 is done, and then 1 out of 3X is done. So you add it up, it becomes 3, 6, 15 plus 11 over 15x is done. So 4 over 15 is left. That is 2 hours. 2 hours. So x has to be then 15 over 2 hours. It takes 4 overall. Possible real number which is the following equivalent to this one. Okay, so because of the exponent 4, we distribute this first. 2 to the 4th power 16, and then a minus 4, and then radical is 1/2 b squared, and then a b minus 3. So 16 has to be there, first of all, and a, you have to bring it down, which is a5 has to be there, so this is gone. And then b, we bring it up, which would be 5, which is c. To become a constant on a quiz show, person must correctly order 4 rock stars by age, from youngest to oldest. Contestant knows which one is the oldest rock star, but randomly guess older at the order of the other 3 rock stars. What is probability the contestant will get all 4 correct? Okay, so out of 4, so contestant know which one is oldest, right? So oldest, we don't need to worry about it. And the second oldest chance is 1 out of 3. And then since you pick the right one, and the next one is 1 out of 2, next one is 1. So 1 out of 6 total. You already know, and then after then, equivalent to this one. Okay, so this is x over 3 plus 1/2 times, flip it over, which is bottom one is now 12 over 8 minus 4. So 4 over 12, 1/3. So 1/3, which means 3. So x, what? Eight. Oh, this is 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3, so 5. Not the case. It's supposed to be 12. First 3 position in single digit, so 10 times 10 times 10, so 3. The next 3 is 26, and both of them are repeated, right? So it's 3. That's what they're looking for. We'll run one right, and then up 3, so it's easy. We change this one to exponential expression. Base is base, right? We're switching off minus 2 equals x. 1 over 25. So 2 over d is between 1/3 and 1/5. You flip it over first, which is d over 2 is, you flip this one to 5 and 3. So divide by, multiply by 2, which is 10, and then 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, d. must be true. Plug numbers. C is negative. Okay, negative, negative. If you put negative onto here, it must be switch side. Okay. Okay. Negative. So you have to switch side with this one too. Still, this way. One. The largest. Which is the largest angle? Largest one is longest side. So this one we're looking for. This is the corresponding side. So we have to use the C as a 39 squared equals 38 squared. 37 cosine then subtract this 2 divided by 2. Okay, Pete has average score exactly X points on 4 equally weighted tests. How many points higher than X must Pete score on 5th equally weighted test to raise his average score after 5th test? This much. So X point is whatever total divided by 4, right? Each 4, and then like T of 4 test is 4X. And then you're adding 5th test, we don't know. But then T of 4 plus Y divided by 5, that becomes X plus 2. So which means 10X plus 5X plus 10 equals 4X plus Y. Okay, so then it has to be X plus 10. So 10 more points you have to get. Okay. And then 4 angles, measure B is this times of A. What is following value of closest measure of A? So intersect L and M. Okay, so B is, let's say this is B, and this is A. So A plus B is 180, and then B is 3.5 A. So you're plugging in here. So then A 4.5 A is, and then A is 20. No, A is 40. S4. So we just moving on to S1. If you put S2, 2 for N, S2 equals 2 times S1, which is 3, plus 2 plus 1. So 6, 8, 9. And S3 is 2 times S2, which is 9, plus 3 plus 1. So 18 plus 4, 22 S4. There's 2 times 22 plus 4 plus 1. 44 plus 5, 49. A is integer less than minus 1. So you plug minus 2. minus 2, which is 2, minus 4, 1. So 2, 1, okay. School carnival and playing game involving stack of 10 index cards. Single number written on it, that one card has 1, 2 cards 2, 3 cards 3, 4 cards 4. Choose one random which awards a number of points equal to number written. This is random. What is expected value? Expected value is always probability times whatever reward, prize. So getting 1 is 1 out of 10, right? Times my prize is 1 plus 2 is 2 over 10 times 2 plus 3 over 10 times 3 plus 4 times 10 times 4. So then 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, 16 over 10. 10, 3. Equivalent sum of 3 consecutive. This one. 3 consecutive odd integer. Sum of. We can just simply put, 1, 3, 5. You add it up. 4, 9. So 3z is no. 3y, yes. No. 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 And then mean of 5 number, this is 24. And then median of 4 number is 38. So median, mean, so you added up this one first, which is 45, 56, 70, 83 plus x divided by 5 is 24. So 120, x has to be 37. And then y is, so median is between two numbers. So 38 is greater than, so it has to be 829, y 53. So between these two is 38. So 29 plus y divided by 2 is 39. So 278 minus 78 is 49. So 49. We subtract this, so minus 12. Minus 12. Something was wrong. Let me see. 45, 56, 83 was right. 120. 29. 29 plus y. Oh, simple mistake. I put this one. Supposed to be 38. So which means consider all rectangles such as rectangles length is greater than width. Rectangles width is whole number, which is not possible for such rectangle width area of 144. Okay, so Premier 144. I think 48. If it is 48, is the answer, because if you divide by 4, each side is 12, and 12 times 12 is 144. But then that's like the maximum they can go. No, you cannot like make the rectangle. This is square. That's why you can test it out other things, but it's waste of time. Circle is the one endpoint diameter y coordinate is this, what is y coordinate the other endpoint of diameter. So this is 11. Let me see. 7, comma 8. 7, 8 is here. And then we're at 10, which is about 3 point something. So 7, 8, the circle is this one. So 11 is here. Because y value is 8. So 11 is not quite 3 yet. Right? So it's not straight. Or this direction. Either or. So as much it goes up, it goes down, right? The y value. So which is minus 3 from the center, which is 5. Okay, so how much it goes up, how much it goes down again from the center. The plans for diving pool call rectangular prism, the length, width. Okay, so this is 30 and 25, and then depth is 5. Increase both length and width by 10%. So length and width becomes 27.5, or the length becomes 33. And then what is the volume of the pool? Okay, didn't say. In the beginning, 25 times 30. 3750. 3750 to 27.5. Okay, so this is like 21%. One solution of this one is this -1 and describe other two solutions. So you do synthetic division if you know what to do. 4 to 1, 7 minus 1, 4 minus 4 minus 6, 6, 7 minus 7, 0. This left, which is 4x minus 6x plus 7. We can test it out by b, discriminant b squared minus 4ac first before we do anything. So which is 36 minus 4, 4, 7, which is 8, 56, which is minus. Minus means imaginary numbers. Negative real numbers, no, no, no. Complex, yeah, this is imaginary numbers. Okay, that's it. If you don't know how to do with this one, you can do long division as well. So either or is fine. Just want to use synthetic division because it's faster. Okay, we'll see you with reading section 2. Bye.